Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. Well, today I have something very special for you all. My new SENA 50S. Let's get started.
This is your fucking captain speaking.
So for those of you who don't know what SENA is basically an intercom system to help connect riders when they are out and riding on the road. It is not only an intercom system for the riders, there's a lot more to it. So how about we open this bad boy up and let's see what's inside, and I'll give you more details about it. So inside the box, first we get the device itself. This pack is a dual pack, so it comes with two Sena devices. Apart from that, we get a bunch of accessories. We get the helmet docking mount, we get a Wi-Fi adapter which also works as a charging adapter. We get three microphones, all three of different formats, and we get some wind muffs, velcro tapes and other generic accessories. So that's all about the contents of the box. So first off, we'll update the Wi-Fi adapter. Just plug this into your computer or any other power adapter, and when you see the Wi-Fi LED turn red, that means it is not connected to the Wi-Fi network. So in order to do that, we will first pair our Sena to our smartphone via Bluetooth. Once Sena is in pairing mode, turn on Bluetooth on your device and pair the Sena to your phone. Next up, we will jump over to the Sena Motorcycle App. Once we are inside the application, go to the settings and select the Wi-Fi update option. Select your Wi-Fi adapter and follow the steps. Once your Wi-Fi adapter is set up and ready to go, your Wi-Fi adapter can automatically download any updates available for your Sena device whenever you plug it in. So now that the Sena is updated and ready to go, just install this on your helmet and let's go for a ride. Now before we go for a ride, let's quickly talk about functions. To turn on Sena, hold the power button and the jog dial for 1 second. Power button on the back is a multifunction button that can be used to cycle through various menus. The jog dial is also a multifunction button or a dial that can be used for volume control, media playback and lots more. Mesh intercom can be switched on using the button located underneath the antenna. Pop up the antenna and press the mesh button to cycle through mesh options. And finally, the ambient mode. Press the button located on the dock to turn on or off the ambient mode. Okay boys, so the Sena is now installed and I'm out on a ride. So far I have a really big smile on my face because the audio quality is really great thanks to Harman Kardon speakers, and apart from that the mesh quality is also really great. Right now I'm connected with my riding buddies using Bluetooth, but I can also use Sena mesh, in which I can accommodate any number of riders who all are having Sena mesh inbuilt in their Sena device. So that is a win-win situation. Installation was also really simple. It only took me approximately 15-20 minutes, and yeah, so far I'm really happy. If you have any queries or any questions regarding the Sena, do leave them in the comments down below, because I still am exploring all the features. So I'll make sure I answer all of your questions, or if you know any particular features that I might not have covered in the video, then also leave that in the comment down below. And yeah, with that said, I'm gonna close this video right here right now. I hope you found this video informative, and yeah, as always, let nothing hold you back in life and always keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Before saying bye, let me give you a sneak peek of what's coming up next. You hear that? That is the new exhaust on my bike. So that is coming up in the next video. Stay tuned.
Last but not least, I want to thank me.